Hello students, good morning to you all. I welcome you all to the online session of English Grammar. Today we are going to study chapter number 7, this, that, these, those. Children, look at the pictures given in your textbook on page number 31. Let us read the sentences given below each picture. This is my new pen. Look at that bat hanging from the tree. These mangoes are very sweet. Keep those books in the shelf. In these sentences, the words in red are used to point out particular objects like this pen, that bat, these mangoes, and those books. The words this, that, these, and those help us talk about particular people or things. They are always followed by a naming word in a sentence. Let us see some examples. This tie was gifted by my mother. I want to read that book. These puppies are very playful. Those oranges are very sour. Let us now learn how to use these words. The words this and that are to be used with singular forms. The word this is used for a person or thing near us. For example, I like this color. This cake is delicious. The word that is used for a person or thing far from us. For example, Ashi lives in that house. That is my youngest brother. The words these and those are to be used with plural forms. The word these is used for more than one thing or person near us. For example, these paintings are so beautiful. Let us buy these books. The word those is used for more than one thing or person that are far from us. For example, those boots are too expensive. We can't eat those fruits now. Children, look at the pictures given in your textbook on page number 33. Here we have to fill in the blanks with the words this or that. The first picture is that of a car. So the answer is this car. The second picture is that of a dustbin. So the answer is that dustbin. The next picture is that of a flower vase. So the answer is that flower vase. The last picture is that of an ice cream. So the answer is this ice cream. Now we have to read the sentences given below and take the correct option. The words like this and that are used for singular forms and these and those are used for plural forms. The first sentence is these or this boys are very naughty. In this sentence, the word boys is a plural form. The word these is the correct option. So the answer is these boys are very naughty. The second sentence is bring that or those ball to me. Here the word ball is the singular form. The word that is the correct option. So the answer is bring that ball to me. The third sentence is this or these students always reach class on time. In this sentence, the word students is the plural form. The word these is the correct option. So the answer is these students always reach class on time. The next sentence is be careful of that or those dog. Here the word dog is a singular form. The word that is the correct option. So the answer is be careful of that dog. The last sentence is this or these book is very interesting. In this sentence sentence, the word book is a singular form. The word this is the correct option. So the answer is this book is very interesting. Children, we already know that the words this and that are to be used with singular form words, and the words like these and those are supposed to be used with plural form words. The words this, these, that and those have been incorrectly used in the following sentences given in your textbook on page number 34. Here we have to look at the pictures and correct the mistakes. One is done for you. The first sentence is, look at that balloons. In this sentence, the word balloons is a plural form. Here the word used is THAT, that. But the word those has to be used with plural form. So the correct answer is, look at those balloons. The second sentence is, these paintings are from Italy. In this sentence, the word paintings is a plural form. Here the word used is THIS, this. But the word these has to be used with plural form. So the correct answer is, these paintings are from Italy. The next sentence is, catch those ball. In this sentence, the word ball is a singular form. Here, the word used is THOSE, those. But the word that has to be used with singular form. So the correct answer is, catch that ball. The next sentence is, these computer is mine. In this sentence, the word computer is a singular form. Here the word used is THESE, these. But the word this has to be used with singular form. So the correct answer is, this computer is mine. The last sentence is, those clock is not working. In this sentence, the word clock is a singular form. Here the word used is THOSE, those. But the word that has to be used with singular form. So the correct answer is, that clock is not working. Did you get it? Okay, I hope that you all have understood the topic very well. Read the lesson twice from your English grammar textbook at your home and stay safe. Thank you.